To the battery now. More battery servicing things that somehow this isn't going to get taken down for roasting lithium batteries. Yes, I'm aware my piston rings could use some help. I don't care. Yeah, that's how you work on one of those. Maybe the other video should have been taken down because I'm in violation of the age rating for a four-wheeler. There's videos of this four-wheeler on public road. It doesn't have a title. What are you gonna do about that, YouTube? Why are all the videos featuring this cart still on YouTube? Do not exceed the weight capacity of the cart. This has a 200-pound weight capacity. We put 1,000 pounds of wire in it. Do not carry passengers in this cart. It's literally the only thing it does. Do not use this cart on public roads. Alright, I guess we're gonna have to use it on some public roads.